Welcome to my first day of college classes online edition for fall 2020. It is August 17th. It's Monday. I start today. Well, I'm supposed to start today. I only have one class today at 10 for psych. It's my theories of personality. She never emailed us yet, and I emailed her last night, so we'll see what happens with that. But I'm just going to start off the vlog just, because it is my first day, so if she doesn't email us, I guess I won't be putting this in, but we'll see where the day takes us. To get up, eat, make coffee, of course, and figure everything out. So, hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new here, and hit that bell notification because there's lots of college content coming up, and you don't want to miss it. So let's get up. This light is like super bright. I have my lamp on, but let's get up and start this day. Doesn't even feel real, but let's do it. Hi guys, so this was such a chaotic first day. I only have one class on Mondays, which is from 10 to 11:15, which is my theories of personality, but I just got off with Zoom like you just saw. But the last clip I showed, I don't even think I showed my breakfast, because I was just like, I don't even think I'm gonna have class because there was still no email, no reply. I checked our Blackboard and there was like no links to Zoom, there was no syllabus, there was nothing. So I was like, maybe I'm just not gonna have class today and she'll email us. I don't know, like I just didn't know. So I was like, I'm not gonna film, I guess. But then I finished eating my breakfast. I'm just like chilling in the kitchen watching YouTube. I get an email and she's like, oh, because I emailed her last night and she's like, oh, did you not get my link? And I was like, no. So I just joined quickly and I like started filming again from there. So it was a crazy morning, but basically I also wrote in my planner like today's schedule, so I'll show you guys that. But we had the Zoom. It was short. She just gave us like an introduction to the class. Half the class was missing, but it's fine. So yeah, we're gonna have class Mondays and Thursdays, except this Thursday we don't have class. So she also went over the syllabus. She's gonna also make sure to post that for us, and I need to order books today. So I have like a lot of things I actually need to do today, even though I just have one class. Like I have readings and homework already to do for Wednesday because they already posted like the syllabus, so we'll get into that in a little bit. So I basically had my first class. I'm done with my classes, so I'm going to show you guys how I filled in this section really quickly. So in the today's schedule, I just put, it's the first day of the junior year, my class, and like the time it meets. So that's basically kind of how I'm going to break down this section. And then I don't work tonight, so I'm gonna make myself my to-do list right now because I have quite a lot of things to do, and I didn't even have my coffee yet today. It was just very chaotic, and she felt so bad because she was just like, honestly, this is so dysfunctional, but we'll get through it. It's fine. But yeah, so let's fill in my to-do list, and then I'm gonna change out of my pajamas and make myself coffee so I can get started with everything that I need to do today. Okay, here is today's big to-do list. I'm going to download all of my syllabi, including today's class, the two that have already been posted, or one of them is posting tonight for sure, and then I already have another one, and I want to create folders for this semester. And in my Google Calendar, I'm going to put all of my Zoom links because last semester since it was just Zoom like after spring break, I would literally sometimes just join on my phone for some classes because I only had Zoom for like 2 of my classes and it was really short. But this semester I'm gonna like do everything on my computer, so I'm gonna make sure I put it in my Google Calendar so that it'll remind me when I have class and I can just easily join, because I did that on my phone last time and it worked out with my calendar. I need to fill out my planner with when I download the syllabi, order some of my textbooks. I need to read chapter 1 already for my Wednesday class, which is my working with families. So before each class for Wednesdays, I need to have read the chapter and have looked at the lecture slides, so I need to do that today. I'm going to prepare for tomorrow's schedule, so I just write down what I have going on for tomorrow. And then I need to complete a survey that my school emailed us. It's like this training survey, something like that. I'm going to quickly change and go make myself a nice cup of coffee. I had made a post on my YouTube saying, oh guys, like I guess I'm not starting class today, and I deleted it because I did have class. It was just like a hot mess to this day, but it's okay. Let's go make some coffee.
Baby, you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air.
I have my big cup of coffee. Clearly I am back in office now that the semester started. The first thing I'm going to be doing is downloading the syllabi that have been sent to me or posted on Blackboard. So let's quickly do that, and then while I'm doing that, I'm going to create a folder to put them in, because after downloading so many things during the semester, things get really crazy, and it got crazy just from the second half of the semester last spring. So I can just imagine being fully remote. So I need to do that and just kind of make myself organized, because if things get like lost, I'm gonna have to keep re-downloading stuff and it just gets super hectic.
Baby, you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air. And you know that I've been suffocating.
So this is what I just did. I downloaded the 2 PDFs, so I basically only have 2 right now, but I know for sure another one is coming today, and I would assume the other 2 as well, because I have the classes tomorrow and Wednesday. So what I did was I created a folder, which is this one. So I'm gonna have one folder. Instead of having so many other folders all on my desktop, I'm gonna have one, but then I created subfolders for them. And the way that I did that is just by clicking Command Shift N, which pops up a new folder, and then I titled them each of the classes. And if you hold down on it, you can actually add a color. So what I did was, let me not fix the color, okay. So what I did was look back on my planner where I color coded each course, and I just corresponded the colors that I made here with the colors for the tabs, so just a little bit more extra organized. And so now I'm going to drag which PDF goes with which class. So this one is for my theories of personality, and then this one goes with working with families. And so now I just drag each folder into my online fall semester folder. I just hate being too cluttered, so seeing all these folders will stress me out on my desktop. So now I just have one, and I know there's a bunch of videos where you can customize the folder, so maybe I will do that today if I have extra time. I'm not going to worry about it right now and spend too much time on that, because I have other things that I want to get done first. And also yesterday my cousin Kayla just she had texted me at night asking if I wanted a desktop wallpaper. So she offered to just make me one. She's really into that sort of stuff. So if you're watching this, thank you. She's gonna create that for me, so I'll have a new desktop background. I've honestly just kept this one on my Mac since I've gotten my Mac. I just haven't even like thought about changing it because I don't know, I just haven't. So I definitely will show you that when she's done creating it. I just told her kind of like, I guess, the theme that I do. Like, I showed her basically some of my thumbnails that I do for YouTube. I like very like white, coolish tone, but still like a little bit of warmth to it. That is my vibe. So we'll see what she comes up with. I'm excited for that. So now that I created my folders, I need to go back to this section. Now I'm going to cross off. So I downloaded the ones that I've gotten, and I'll continue to download them as they come and probably just quickly show you in a little montage while I'm doing work later. I created my folders, but now I'm going to go in and kind of in my Google Calendar write down or like block off the days that I have classes. And what my professors have done is they'll send us a link that is for like every week. It's like reoccurring, so every week it'll just drop into your calendar. So that's what I'm going to quickly do.
I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak. Feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me. See something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with a house key. Have something I'm proud of.
Google Calendar is now all filled in. This is kind of like my first time actually using it, but I figured since we're online I need to be extra organized, especially like I mentioned earlier with the Zooms. So I already put in the link for my victimology class. As I get the Zoom links for my other ones for the week, I'll import it. And the cool thing is you can have it recurring for every month, so the link will remind you 10 minutes before the class. So I really like it actually, and I'm going to be using this just when I need it, like I said, strictly for probably like my Zoom calls. Other than that, I love using my planner for everything. So I just wanted to quickly update you guys with that. We can cross this off my list, and now let's start ordering some textbooks or trying to find PDF versions so that I don't have to spend a ton of money.
I just wanna be free from the freak. Feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me.
Found 2 PDFs for my Working with Families class and my Theories of Personality class. I found a different edition, which she said was okay. She said that we didn't need the same edition and it was fine. So I'm going to quickly drag these textbooks into their folders that I created from today. Now this is my 5-subject notebook that I got for when I'm taking notes. So now I'm going to go in and label each of the little folder dividers that it has for which class is going to be for which section.
Something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with a house key. Have something I'm proud of. I wish we were out of mind when I'm dreaming of you here for me. Out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight.
I filled in my planner with the other 2 syllabi that I received. So yeah, I just color coded it, wrote in the chapters, any assignments, when our exam is, everything like that. So I'm really happy that this is now nice and organized. I got my books already. I updated my to-do list for the day. So we downloaded the syllabi, we created folders, we filled out the planner, we ordered textbooks and PDFs. I prepared tomorrow's schedule, which I didn't show you guys. I just wrote down what classes I have, what time, and then a little reminder to get any homework that I have done for the upcoming days. Right now I already labeled this. I labeled my notebook sections. I need to read chapter 1 for my Working with Families class. So we have to read chapter 1 and look at the lecture that she posted for Wednesday. So I think today I'm going to read chapter 1. I don't know how long it is. Oh, it's not that long actually. So I'm going to read chapter 1, and then I think tomorrow I will look at the lectures just so it's more fresh as well. So I'll do that tomorrow. I don't have to stress about it today. And then I'm going to complete our survey that we have to do for school, which will be quick, and update my Excel sheet. This is not part of like school stuff, it's just like life stuff that I showed you guys, my Excel sheet for all of my like finances and stuff. So I need to update how much I spent on the book and other stuff in regards to my YouTube. So we're doing really well. Right now it is 3:06. I actually need to eat lunch, so I'm gonna eat really quickly and get to reading.
I could be your hero, but I can't get.
After my salad, it was actually really good by the way, but after that I did the little survey that I had to do. It was basically just like this COVID thing for my school that we had to do really quickly, so I did that, and I had to just put something in my Excel sheet, so nothing like crazy that I needed to like show you guys because it was really quick. But the last thing that I need to do is, or that I'm gonna do today, is read the chapter, and then my like school day kind of will be over and I can relax for the rest of the day. I'm gonna go for a walk with my boyfriend in a bit, but right now I'm gonna read the chapter and I'm going to just kind of take a little bit of notes, just like the main things for each subsection that there is.
I could be your best friend, but I can't pick up my phone. Let it ring 'cause no one's home. I'm always judging and degrading.
I just finished taking a shower, and I'm gonna be done with doing work for the day. I want to edit this video and try to get it up for you guys as soon as I can, and I need to like edit the thumbnail, all that stuff, and I did a lot today, so I'm proud of myself. So I'm gonna end off this online college day in my life vlog, my first day of junior year. Even though it was really hectic to start with not figuring out if I was gonna have class, we still had a very productive day. Also, I'm not even sure because I obviously didn't edit yet. It might be a really long vlog, but comment down below if you enjoy or prefer long college productive vlogs. Not like super long, but you know, pretty long, or if you'd rather some shorter vlogs. I obviously will do both, but just let me know what you prefer so that I can obviously keep creating them for you guys. Of course, I'm going to continue doing productive vlogs. I just like to personally show a lot because I want to motivate you guys, and I feel like by showing you how productive I am, maybe it'll make you guys want to be productive too, because I know I love watching these type of videos. So let me know what you want to see down below. Let me know how your first day went, if you started already, or let me know when you start, what grade you're in, all that fun stuff. We can have a chat about it in the comments. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, so we can continue to grow, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.
But maybe I don't ever wanna put down this life.